Let's create a shapescape using line, shape, and form. Lines are marks of any length and size. They can be straight, curvy, or zigzag. When you enclose a line, it becomes a shape, like a triangle, circle, or square. Ready for a creativity tip? Turn these shapes into three-dimensional forms by adding size and shading. Experiment with light and dark shades using hatching and cross-hatching lines. Hatching uses parallel lines, while cross-hatching uses short lines that cross over each other, leaving a pattern. Closer lines create a darker tone, and wider spacing creates a lighter tone. Parents and teachers, subscribe to Crayola Learning's YouTube channel and follow us on social media for more colorful, creative ideas. Thank you for letting your ideas shine today. Stay colorful with creativity tips.